Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lucky English for Beginners. I'm your host, and today we're going to practice 50 sentences, focusing on 3 closely related visual words: see, look, and watch. They all involve your eyes, but they describe different types of visual activity. Say the sentences out loud after me. Pay close attention to the focus and duration, and tell me in the comments, what is your favorite thing to watch on TV? Ready? Let's clarify these verbs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons. Part 1. See. Focus on visual perception ability. Key distinction. See means the image simply enters your eye, an involuntary physical process, or the ability to perceive something. It is often used for brief, accidental, or non-intentional viewing. I suddenly saw a shooting star last night. Can you see the tiny boat on the horizon? I don't see what you mean by that comment. She went to the eye doctor because she can't see clearly. I opened the door and saw the delivery driver waiting. Did you see the announcement about the meeting? Notice, perceive? I wear glasses so I can see better. I will see you tomorrow at the cafe. Meeting someone. He couldn't see the sign because it was too dark. I see a big difference between the two products. Perceiving a distinction. Part 2. Look. Focus on intentional direction. Key distinction. Look means to intentionally direct your eyes towards something, often for a short time. It is often followed by the preposition at. Look at the beautiful painting on the wall. Intentional direction. Don't look at me when I am eating. He looked tired after his long flight. Appearing, seeming. Please look both ways before crossing the street. I need to look up the meaning of this word in the dictionary, searching for information. Look, the baby just took its first step. The house looks abandoned and old, appearing, seeming. I looked at the clock to check the time. She didn't like the dress, so she didn't look twice. Look closely at the small details in the photo. Part 3. Watch. Focus on intentional observation, duration. Key distinction. Watch means to intentionally observe something, usually something that is moving or changing, over a period of time. I like to watch movies on the weekend, observing movement over time. We often watch the news together after dinner. The security guard must watch the monitors carefully. Please watch my bag while I go to the restroom. Guard, observe. I love to watch the birds fly south in the autumn. The children were watching a cartoon on the tablet. We watched the football game until the very end. Watch out. There is a car coming fast. Be careful, alert. I am watching my weight by avoiding snacks, monitoring. The scientist is watching the chemical reaction in the tube. Part 4. Comparative sentences. I looked at the television and I saw a commercial, but I didn't watch the movie. I can see the neighbor's dog in the distance, but I don't want to watch it all day. Look at the sign so you can see the warning, and then watch the road carefully. Did you watch the entire documentary? I only saw the first 5 minutes. The teacher told us to look at the equation so we could see the error. I watch my younger brother while he plays so I can see if he falls. We went to the stadium to watch the players, and from our seats we could see the whole field. He only looked at the clock quickly because he didn't have time to watch it tick. Can you see that cloud? Watch how fast it is moving. I didn't see the car, but the crossing guard yelled, "Watch out!" Interactive questions. Tell me, which word refers to the involuntary physical process of light entering your eyes? Say it loud. Look at the beautiful painting on the wall. Which word is used for intentional observation of something moving over time? Tell me, which word is often followed by the preposition at? Say it. I love to watch the birds fly south in the autumn. If you were trying to find a word in a dictionary, which verb do you use? Say it loud. I need to see you tomorrow at the cafe. If a house appears old, which verb do you use? Tell me, what does it mean to say, watch out? Say it. I watch my younger brother while he plays. What is the difference between seeing a star and watching the sky? Say it loud. I wear glasses so I can see better. Tell me, which word would you use to describe monitoring a security camera? Say it. The teacher told us to look at the equation. If someone has no visual ability, they cannot. That was a great lesson on the differences between see, look, and watch. You spoke so much English and clarified how to describe various visual actions. Super job. Practice these sentences and remember to consider the intention and duration of the visual activity.